Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play the modern talking Brother Louie. The scale E minor. Let's say the first portion. So that's two line. Check carefully. That's D string 9th fret and the B string on 8th fret and the G string on 9th fret. Then D string on 9th fret and B string on 8th fret. So then on G string totally 9 7 9 7 9 5, and then the G string on 5th fret and the B string on 8th fret and 5th fret. Then G string 9 7 9 7 and 9 9 plus 9 on D string. So look carefully. This phase 1 and the phase 2. All are same. Then the fourth line changes. G string on 7th and the B string on 7. As you like. Down up, down up, down down. G string on 7. G string on 9 7 9 7 9 and plus D string on 9. Once again. Now the total phrases. You can play here also and as you like, okay? Or from here. Then the second part. Now look carefully, note one by one. That 9th fret on G string. You can glide from here, from 7th fret, okay? The 9th fret on D string 3 stroke. Then G string on 9, B string on 7, 8, 10. The 7th fret on G string. So okay, then the D string on 7th fret, G string 7th and 9 and B string 7 and 8. The G string on 9th. D string on 10th and G string on 7th and 9th. The B string on 7th and G string on 9th. Then D string on 9th and G string on 7th, D string on 7th and G string on 7th. Now the total phrase is the second part. Then again the first part.